Bombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host Limpo Mukhale, and we are at the City Hall's grounds to witness the conclusion of the Bombela Development League. And now I'm with the head coach of Matafeni Hotspurs under 15 development, Coach Mashaba. Coach Mashaba, hard luck, runners up in the under 15s development. Coach Ngibingelele. Coach, uyibone njani isizini le?
Bekunzima kakhulu, sicale kahle kusuke kwamoshakala lapho nalapho, but kude lesingakusho zamile. Kodwa ngicela kubonga hard work labafana abasebenzi kanzima ukuthi bafike la khona tuzama next time.
Coach Mashaba, kuliphilisi leli buhlungu kanani ukuthi ileague niyiluze ngelanga lekugcina to Amelia Academy kumphathi?
Kube buhlungu kakhulu, ma-player ethu akajabulanga asithi inhlungwini, kodwa kumele bafunze lena ibhola, kumele samukele into tendeka into elifana nalithi, ngikule kumele bakwahlo.
Coach Mashaba, ngithi ukuthatha sibile emuva ngesikhathi sicala ileague mphathi, siyaqala kwasekucaleni mphathi. Ngiphi imessage bokathi ubanikete yona abafana, ubatshela ngayo ukuthi unanga umfutho lengifuna sihambe ngawo bafana, indlela yokuhamba ngilena abafana ukuze kungenteka ukuthi sibe nelithuba lokuthi sibambe na ileague.
Sebenze hard, sibe serious. Ngiwe amagama lemi ngihlala ngibatshela wona.
Mave kubagcugcutela njengoba ubonile nduna yami inhlulekile kuyithatha nayo ileague mphathi under 15 Bombela Development.
Ngibatshile ukuthi njengoba sihlulekile sobuya futhi sitozama. Kude into lengayindiki, sitozama futhi maybe next year chance lesitoyithola sitoyisebenzisa sitobuya sitozama sitoyenza into le right.
Coach Mashaba, tuko konke bonke abatali benze basolo bayisupport abavumela abantwana ukuthi baphume bethi kudlala nayo ibhola leyona lena mphathi beMatafeni Hotspurs. Ngiphi message lo ngabanayo to also nabatali badlali nabo beMatafeni Hotspurs?
Ngicela kubonga kubo ukuthi bebeta la emagamini batobukela abantwana babo. Singathi bangachubeka njalo ngoba nabo kuyabagcugcutela ukuthi babukele batali babo nokuthi babe serious kakhulu.
Coach Mashaba, sithi hard luck, ngayiwina na ileague mphathi, chubekela phambili sithi konke lokuhle.
Yabonga.